This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today this is an interesting idea where you can take a magnetic coil from a dishwasher fill valve that isn't working, and you can pry it off, and then you can take a new coil from one that is working and put it on. These are somewhat modular. Not all fill valves can do this, but the more modern ones that are out there, regardless of the make, are somewhat interchangeable. I'm just using a standard head screwdriver to pry off the magnetic coil. This is the thing that creates the magnetic field that lifts the little door that lets water go through the valve. And they get weak over time, but you can easily replace the whole fill valve, or you can actually pry off the part that creates the magnetic field, taking off the old one that's no longer working, and you can just put a new one on. To put the new one on, you just put it over the stem and press down until it clicks. It'll lock into place and it'll work just like a brand new valve. The only other thing that may be good to replace the valve body would be if the valve has some little debris in there that you have to clear out. But this is one way you could just replace just the magnetic coil. Thanks so much for watching the video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance.